Hello everyone. Today we are doing a morning lifting massage, the perfect way to wake up your skin. It works especially well if you have any puffiness or swelling in the morning. So grab your mirrors and your favorite face cream and let's get started.
Let's start with the lymphatic drainage. Gently place your fingers on the area just above your collarbones. Use light, smooth movements here. We do this to stimulate the flow, reduce puffiness, and prepare your face for the rest of the massage. Apply your preferred massage cream or mask, gently smoothing the product across the skin. Once evenly distributed, proceed to the massage techniques.
Press tongue to palate, place fist under chin, and perform soft outward smoothing strokes. Now, using soft strokes, trace two lines to define the cheekbone. Gently drain excess fluid from the face. First, glide along the cheekbone, then follow the contour just beneath it. Using those same soft motions, smooth out the nasolabial folds, delicately draining excess fluid from the nose area and the entire face. Now, moving on to the eye area, use soft, circular motions to work around the eyes, reducing puffiness, lifting the skin, and smoothing the appearance of fine lines. We finish our massage by working on the brow and forehead area, gently relaxing the muscles to leave your forehead looking smooth, even, and refreshed.